Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a Depop haul. These are all items that I have thrifted that I'm going to be loading on my Depop account, and I will leave a link below for you guys to check it out. Some of the items are new and some of the items are used, so they're vintage. But I will go through and tell you all the sizes and tell you what brands they are and all that, and kind of let you see what I'll be listing. So I do have a few things already listed on my account, so if you want to check those out, you can. And I'll be adding these. It's under the Recycled Gypsy, just same way you found my YouTube channel. So let's get into it. Gotta put my glasses on so I can see. This one is Old Navy, and it's a small. And it's just a cute little short sleeve top. It's got elastic around the neck, and I really like it. It's in mustards and pinks, and again, it's Old Navy, and it's a small. So the next one is, this is called String Bean, and this is brand new, still has the tags on it. It is a size large, and it's got like this vintage retro kind of print on it. It's tan, and it's got black and white and gray printing on it. So this is short sleeve, and it's brand new. It'll be listed. I also have, this is made by String Bean also. This one is an extra large, and it's kind of a vintage, kind of retro type print on it too. I'm really liking the Mandalay design that's on the sleeves and that's on the front here. So I'll be listing this. Super cute. I have fun looking for all these items. I was digging through my closet. This one is a large, and it's by Eyeshadow, and it's a gray short sleeve. It has this kind of black floral print along the bottom. It's super cute. It is not new. I've worn it like 2 or 3 times. I've had it for a while, but it's by Eyeshadow. And these are all vintage, like from the 90s. I've been digging through my closet and going through stuff. Here is another new one with the tags on it still. This is an extra large. Oh, and a lot of these are junior sizes, so they do run a little bit smaller. This is a pink. It's a cropped top. It's got the elastic right here, the ruching, and then it also has like a butterfly type style sleeve. It's cropped, super cute. I could wear this to a festival, summer concerts. It's real thin, kind of sheer, so it would be cool. And again, this is an extra large, and it's brand new. I also have this top. It is an extra large. It has a little like leather tassel tie in the front here. And it's got the elastic neckline. It's got the gathering and the elastic around the bottom. It's short sleeve. It's made by Unique, and it's an extra large. And I love the flower print on this. It's kind of tans and mustards and pinks and yellows. So I'll be listing that. This one, the neck on it is so big. It needs to have one of those like strings put in them to hold it on the hanger. Anyway, it is a small. It doesn't look like a small. This is a Mrs. Small. It's got the butterfly sleeve. It also ties in the back, which is super cute. So you can gather it, make it smaller, make it look like you have a waist. It's a V-neck. It's really cute, and it's a paisley print in pinks. And then last but not least, and this one I love, so if this one doesn't sell, I'll be keeping it. It's new also. It is an extra large. It's 90s style. It's Anxiety Cafe. It's a pink, like Mandalay, kind of paisley type print on it, and creams and blues and browns, and I just love this shirt. Super cute. It actually has like a split open sleeve, so it bells out, and I love this. But these will all be listed on my Depop, and this is an extra large. So if you guys like any of these, make sure you check out my account and send me a message. Hope you guys are all having a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave any comments down below of things you would like to see or things you want me to do. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye.